Attention! Attention! All receiving units, this is not a test. This channel is retransmitting an emergency directive under unstable signal conditions. We repeat, the Foundation's overall containment measures have been compromised. Redundancies have failed in sequence. Reports of breach are no longer categorized by site. They are categorized by proximity. Do not seek explanations. Do not contact other sites. The failsafe will be activated shortly. Notice: Alpha failsafe is being activated now. The broadcast will not remain consistent. Some frequencies will return corrupted with anomalous speech. Notice: power fluctuations are not outages. Warning: do not open any containment interface, access panel, keyhole, vent grill, or harmless relay box. Any attempt to observe may be interpreted as an authorization request. If you are reading this with any delay, please understand, you are already inside the interval. Remain where you are. Do not look back when the signal sounds like footsteps. This is the last channel you will recognize. This broadcast will repeat 3 times. Distortion is expected. Do not forget this broadcast. Class XK active. I repeat. Class XK / end of the world scenario active. Secure. Contain. Protect.